You can easily start a business with this method and earn from $1,000 to $2,000 from your home. Save and share this video. Go to lexica.art. Here you have all the cool images made by AI ready for you. Download any cool image or remix and make some changes. Go to Printify and make a free account. Here you can just paste your designs on hoodies, t-shirt, mugs, bags, and more. Make a free account in Etsy or Shopify and connect your account with your Printify account. Here, whenever anyone purchases your product, Printify will take care of the printing and shipping. You will earn all the extra money left from the production. Like and follow me for more business ideas.